The Supply Demand EA Probot is a fully automated expert advisor built on the principles of supply and demand, designed for the MetaTrader 4 platform. What sets it apart is its user-friendly graphical trading panel, making it incredibly easy to navigate. It offers 3 distinct trading styles: day trading, swing trading, and scalping. With this EA, trades are automatically placed within key supply and demand zones based on your customized settings within the panel. Whether you're aiming for quick scalps or long-term swings, this EA does the heavy lifting for you, adapting to your preferences effortlessly.